let's look at direct variation. We typically say this as y varies directly as x. And what this tells me is that y is equal to kx for some value of k. And for each given situation, that value of k will be fixed. And so the k is a constant. It's known as the constant of proportionality. So no matter what, if we say that they vary directly, we know that y is equal to some number times x. As a very basic example, let's suppose y varies directly as x. When x equals 4, y is equal to 36. So what is y when x is equal to 7? The fact that this varies directly tells me that I have y is equal to kx. I know that y is 36 when x is equal to 4. So I know this is 36 equal to 4k. Dividing by 4 gives me that 9 is equal to k. So my actual equation for this situation, y is equal to 9x. I can then plug in 7 and get my solution of y is equal to 63. The number of muffins varies directly as the amount of flour. If you use 3 cups of flour, you get 24 muffins. So how many muffins do you get using 4 cups? So our muffins are going to vary directly as the amount of flour. So I'm going to use the letters M and F for the number of muffins and the amount of flour. The fact that they vary directly tells me M is equal to K times F. We know 3 cups of flour gives us 24 muffins, so we know 24 is equal to K times 3. Dividing both sides by 3 gives me that K is equal to 8. So if we use 4 cups of flour, we now know that we have M is equal to 8 times F. We can change our 8 to a 4, and we'll get 32 total muffins. The distance needed for a car to stop varies directly as the square of the speed. You need 250 feet if you were going 60 miles per hour. So how far do you need if your speed is 40 miles per hour? Well, we have that our distance varies directly as the square of the speed. I'm going to use D for distance and S for speed. So we have distance varies directly, that means it's K times the square of the speed, so S squared. We also know that my distance needs to be 250 when my S is equal to 60. In other words, 250 is equal to 3,600 K. I can divide both sides by 3,600. And I get that K is equal to 5 over 72. So my actual equation, D is equal to 5 over 72, S squared. So what if you're going 40 miles per hour? Then we have 5 over 72 times 40 squared. Which, if we work that out, we get about 111 feet if I round to the nearest foot. So we'll need about 111 feet if we are going 40 miles per hour.